Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Fitify. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an AI-powered workout or fitness goal assistant. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So we actually click on join now, and they actually say you should actually log in to their account and pay a fee to get the app, get started on the app. So a lot of people are saying that it is really good here on Trustpilot, since they have 44 reviews and they're rated 4.6 out of 5 stars. So let's go on over here to see all the reviews. So just finished my bottle of Fitify and already ordered another. The natural approach, the weight management works for me. Now take note for some of these for products like these, like a fitness app and a fitness product. It really depends on you, since it won't be fair if you rate them 1 star and if you're not consistent with their plans or what they have in store for you. So for example, they've set you a plan to make 50 push-ups per day and you're not going through with that, and rate them 1 star since it's not working. Obviously it's not fair to rate them 1 star, since you're the one not going through with the exercise or the workout. So products like these will work if you actually stick with the plan and be strict with it. So yeah, a lot of people are saying that's really good. Someone who's tried numerous weight management products can say Fitify is different. Supplement actually delivers on its promises and a lot more. So yeah, by all means, go ahead and try this product. If you're planning to lose weight, you can try this product out, and if it works for you, then it's good. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.